From C to A minor, there's not a lot happening. The C chord. Third finger, third fret of the A string. Second finger, second fret of the D string. First finger on the first fret of the B string. To form the A minor chord, we need to lift up our third finger, like so, and tuck it in behind the second finger, but on the G string at the second fret. And we should get this sound. If I go from C to A minor, listen to the change. 3, 4. It's just that little change from that third finger to the second finger.